Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with targeted, essential checks. Power cycle the modem and router now, turn them off for 30 seconds and back on to clear transient faults. While they reboot, verify your device's Wi-Fi is enabled and physical Ethernet is connected, because wired links rule out wireless interference. Once done, list which devices lost access and the time it happened, since that pattern tells you whether the problem is local or provider-related and guides the next diagnostics. Now you perform targeted diagnostics. Ping the router, then a public IP like 8 to compare latency and packet loss. This separates local LAN issues from upstream outages. Next, disable VPN or security apps briefly, because they often block traffic or cause DNS problems. Also test a second device and switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands to check interference or band-specific config errors. These steps to finish, apply fixes in order. Update router firmware and your device network drivers, then reboot because updates often resolve stability bugs. If problems persist, perform a router factory reset only after backing up settings. This clears config corruption. Finally, if you still lack connectivity, contact your ISP with your ping, traceroute, and outage timeline. That evidence speeds their troubleshooting. One key tip: if intermittent drops recur, swap cables and test with a known good device before blaming the ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.